20th. We're in the final dregs of this advent calendar, and this, hopefully, is going to be a treat. I remember, is it yesterday the 19th where I got my second Cleveland Indians bracelet? Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, it is, to go in my ear on my piglet, Rabbit from Winnie the Pooh. And I think more than anything I'll probably keep these because either me or my wife can use these as little things to put on birthday cakes and things. I think that they're going to be ideal for. But yeah, that is number 20. I'll see you tomorrow, where we're now, or tomorrow we will be, in the final four. Happy 20th of December.